Everyone, just want to really quick walk you through how to log into Dreambox because it is a little different depending on what type of device you are using. Okay, so if you are using a computer or a laptop, all you have to do is go to clever.com. Hopefully, you remember using this in class. And then to log in, remember your username and your password are your lunch number. Once you get into Clever, all you have to do is find this little Dreambox app right here and click it, and it'll take you to Dreambox, and then you are in. Okay? Now, if you're on an iPad, all right, the first thing you have to do is you have to download the Dreambox app. Okay? It is free. All right? If you have a school iPad, go to self-service. If you have your own iPad, go to the App Store. You do not have to do anything else besides download it. You should not set up an account, no parent accounts, nothing like that. Just literally download the app. That's it. Then you go to clever.com, your username and password, your lunch number, find the Dreambox app, click it, and then it'll take you to the app. Okay? It's that simple, okay? At most 3 steps. All right? Now, if you're using a phone, I believe the phone directions are the same as a computer. All right. So if you're using a phone, this is how you would get on. Now, when you get onto Dreambox, this is something like what your screen will look like. And all I want you to do, guys, is play around. Okay. Just get used to this because we are going to be using this as our learning later in the week and then going forward. So you can go and you can click on any of these and they'll have little activities for you to do. You can see there's stuff that you can buy. You've got your money here, all this cool stuff going on with it. All right, so have fun with it, learn some stuff. And then once you've done that, go on to Schoology and one thing that you like about Dreambox. Okay? So that is it. Please let me know if you have any questions. Remember, I have office hours today from 1 to 2, and I hope you all have a great day. Adios.